Hey everyone, I just wanted to quickly walk you through the expectations for the MLA format template assignment. And so I have the assignment open here, and each of you will be given access to a template that you can edit. And so your template is going to look exactly like this one. This assignment has 7 steps that you need to follow, and each step will give you specific instructions as to what you need to do. On step 1, I want you to simply format your MLA header. We've talked about MLA headers in the past, specifically when you did your Romeo and Juliet essay, but I noticed that some of you still struggled a little bit with getting all of those components right, and so I wanted to just show you one more time what's expected of you. So in this template, you'll be given bracketed information. I want you to remove those brackets and replace them with your own personal information. So as an example, if I was going to fill in this MLA header, I would replace that entire bracketed information with my name. You'll do the same for the rest of the bracketed information. Then on step 2, I've given you some links that I want you to research and read. These links will bring you to articles about the red panda, and so I'm going to have you just do like a 3rd grade research project, and I want you to just write down interesting information that you're learning about the red panda that you're getting from these 2 articles. Once you've done your research, you can move on to step 3. And in step 3, you're going to be using information that you found from each article to write a very short paragraph. Like, I only want 5 to 8 sentences from you based on the information that you've learned. Again, this is like a 3rd grade level research project. It shouldn't be very difficult. The reason why we're doing this is so that you can practice using in-text citations like we've already talked about. So then once you have your paragraphs written, then you're going to work on step 4, in which you create your citation. So as you can see, I have a couple of links provided for you, and these links will walk you through specifically what you need to do to create your works cited page. Your works cited page will go in the space provided here. Once you have your works cited completed on step 4, then I want you to go back and check your work using the information that's provided on step 5. Again, there's another video that will help you go through this process to make sure that your work cited for step 4 has been done correctly. Then in step 6, it's going to ask you to go back and check your in-text citations using the information that we've learned on in-text citations. And then lastly, I want you to check this example. If your work doesn't look like this example, you need to go back and make the necessary corrections. So as you can see, I have written just a basic paragraph about blue whales, and then in parentheses, as you can notice here, I have included in-text citations. Remember, if your paragraph from step 3 does not include in-text citations, you've kind of missed the point of this project. This project isn't about writing a paragraph about red pandas. Okay, that's like 3rd grade level work. What we're practicing here is actually how do we use in-text citations to cite the research that we've done. So again, if your paragraph does not have in-text citations, you'll need to go back and add them. Then I've also given you an example works cited page. So again, if your works cited page does not look like this, make sure that you go back and make those necessary corrections. If you have any questions at all about this assignment, feel free to send me an email and I'll answer those questions as soon as I can. Bye everybody!